Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arthur and today we have an unboxing. I haven't done one of these in literally so long. My apologies. I've been creating shorts, I've been traveling a lot, but I also stopped buying like luxury goods because I've been trying to save as much money as possible because I'm trying to buy a house very soon. But also, don't pay attention to this Greek yogurt in here. I actually got this in Greece. But with further ado, I'm talking and rambling about myself. But yes, we have an unboxing. I took off these laces because I used them for one of my sneakers. Don't ask me why. But yeah, okay. So we have some sneakers that we are going to unbox. The description will be, or what these shoes are going to be in the description below. But let's go ahead. So I love Gucci sneakers. I don't know about you guys, but like I hate the, what are they called? The moccasins. I hate moccasins. But I love the Gucci sneakers. So again, I got this when I was in Greece on vacation with my mother. And yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. So this has been like legit in my closet for like the last 3 or 4 weeks. I haven't unboxed them yet because I wanted to do it with you guys. 1 and 2 because I don't know. I just didn't feel like wearing them yet, and so I decided to come unbox with you guys. So as you can see, it has just like the typical Gucci. And let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Dun dun dun. I really like how Gucci has changed their design. It's really like an older 1920s, 1920-ish design. But I really like it compared to like the black and beige before. So we're unboxing. Dun dun dun. Here we are, and they've even changed the dust bags. So there's shoe 1, shoe 2. It comes with obviously like the how to take care of your stuff, which I don't do. I'm hoping this is extra shoelaces and not the ones that I need to put in because I suck at that kind of stuff. Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead and unbox, or at least undust one of these. So this one's already kind of open. So let's see. Shabam! Oh my god. So these look so much nicer than I remember them. I mean, to be fair, I did try on like the pair that they have out, but whoo, oh my goodness. I honestly did not think I was going to like these ones, just because the color scheme. I don't think I own anything like brown or beige, or even this kind of red. I actually think red's an ugly color. Full on hating. And orange. Just everything about these sneakers I didn't like, but when I tried them on, I feel like they go with my color tone very well. So I just decided, you know, why not? And my old Gucci shoes, those ones are thrashed. I've worn them to concerts. I've worn them to literally anything and everything. So let's see. So yeah, here they are. I'm super excited to try these on for the first, I mean, not try them on for the first time. I've obviously worn them, but to like wear them out. Right now I'm still traveling, so I can't really, like, everything that I have is like all my travel wear, so I don't have anything nice to match them with. But I'm super excited to go ahead and start wearing them. Yes. Okay, well, yeah, this is going to be a really short video. I haven't seen you guys in a while. I am going to be buying some stuff for myself for Christmas. So maybe you guys will see another video. I'm not sure. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment on... Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Alright.